Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Knowledge and Beauty. Today I am gonna share with you 3 bottle arts. Okay, 3 DIY bottle arts. That glass bottle I got from my room, and I have so much time to make fun, to make some enjoy. Okay, so for this reason I am doing this DIY. So here I need some jute rope and one school glue, or you can use any glue whatever you have in your home. So here my motto was to make one home decorated things with that wasted products. Okay, so here that glass bottles and jute rope we're not using, so by using this I will make some home decorator. For this reason I'm doing this, and I have 3 bottles. Okay, so I'm thinking that I will put here in one bottle I, in one bottle I will put one love, means heart shaped. Okay, then in the third one I will put you. Okay, so in this way I will decorate that. So for this I am taking that first one glass bottle, and I am taking jute rope and also glue, and with the help of glue I am sticking that jute rope on around that glass bottle, and I am wrapping around that glass bottle. This is so much time taking, but now we have so much time, so we can spend. Okay, for this reason I am doing this, and it will take you 10 minutes maximum. Okay, so after that all the wrapping things, you need some stone. I have stone in my collection. If you have, then you can use. So I am drawing here one love shape, means one heart shape, and I am putting white stone here, and it will look so much glossy and so much classic. Okay, so here you can see that it's looking so much cute, and so much tiny stone, it looking very cute. Also I will fill that one by giving some another color stone. So I'm thinking that I will put a blue stone to fill that heart shape things. Okay, because it's showing something empty, so I am giving some stone to fill that heart shape. Okay, so here I am putting that small stone, and it's something blingy. Okay, it will be very much glossy also. So I am putting all the stones here, and see, now it's looking so much glossy with that coloring stones. And now after that I will take one small jute rope, and I will color with that. Okay, here also I will do blue color because I want to match that colors also. And also on that jute what I wrapped on bottles, here also I am giving some detail to give it some proper way, and to make it one proper home decorators. So I am coloring here also with the sketch pen, and also here I am putting one golden rope with the neck of that glass bottle, and it's also very much quick step you can use. If you have that type of golden rope, then you can use to decorate your glass bottle. In that small blue colored rope I put one beads. Okay, and I put it in the neck of that first bottle. Now for the second bottle decoration I did blue color on the bottom of that bottle, and I am putting some woolen and also jute rope with the help of glue. Also here I will put stone to make that eye. Okay, so previously I make that heart shaped one, and now I am putting in this bottle eye. Okay, after that to decorate that bottle I will put some more jute rope in that bottle, and that's it. Okay, so and also here in the neck of that glass bottle I will put some stones also. After that it will be done. So here you can see that this bottle is also ready. Now it's time to make that third one. This will be so much pretty that I can't wait to show you guys. So here I am putting that red color on the top of the bottle, and also one thing you have to maintain that take more color. Okay, and take less water. If you take more water, then color will not stick on that glass wall. Okay, so you need to take more color. So here also I am putting some black color, and also I am doing some small cute mandala art. Okay, so here in all the bottles I will do some mandala work, and it will be very much colorful. Okay, means I played with colors. So here also I did some small mandala work with white acrylic colors, and also all the bottles I will do some rainbow color. Okay, and with that rainbow color I will do some design, mandala design. Okay, so here I did all that colors, and I am doing here some lines mandala work, and I will fill that mandala also. So here I am doing, it's called line mandala work. Okay, and also I am filling here with some cute small work. All that bottle I will do that mandala work and I will fill with colors. It will be very much easy, and also you can do anything, whatever you feel easy you can do that. Okay, as per your choice you can do. See, this petals mandala is very much cute. So I am doing this with white color, and also I will give there some small black dots, so it will be very much visible and also it will be very much classy. So here I am putting some black dots also, and for that golden color I will use black and red. Okay, because black and red will go very much for that golden color. So here I give some black dots and also I will put red dots, and on that black dots I will put some white small dots also, which will look very much cute. And also after that I will do some work on that red, orange and that green wall also. Let's see what I am doing here. So you can see I am doing so much mandala works, and that's it for that bottle mandala works. Now I will put some stone to make that U. Okay, so here I am putting some white stone to make that U, and it will be completed, that eye and heart shape and then U. Super easy things. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel.